everyone. I wanted to show you finally this lash tutorial. So here goes. I am simplifying this to make everything very easy for you. I know that lashes can be very difficult in applying, and these are the things that you will absolutely 100% need. The very first thing that you will need is this beautiful Conair double-sided. You have the magnifying mirror and then the regular, and you have 3 levels of this ring light that is amazing. Light, then it goes a little bit brighter, and then it goes bright. It's phenomenal. I love it. I will leave the link for it. This is an Amazon purchase. It's the same exact one. I had gotten mine at Sephora years ago, and Olivia and I cannot live without it. So what I like to do, it's similar to how I can adjust my phone. I like to have the magnifying side up and under me. So you're looking down, and it's the best way to apply lashes. It brings everything in full focus, very close up. You don't want to look at the rest of your face because that's not how things should be, and then it makes you kind of nitpick. So you'll need that. You will need some little square tip tweezers. I will be selling these on my website also. And I have already applied my favorite mascara, which is the vegan, this is a little messy, the vegan Pura Nada that I sell. And I just applied 1 coat and feathered it out. And then at the very end, I'm going to show you my lash drama, which is amazing, dramatic, bold lashes. Okay, you will need Duo lash glue, or you can get the kind that is a little wand. It's very easy to apply. Okay, and then you will need my lashes. So these are vegan, cruelty-free, little tiny corner strips that are so natural and feathery and wispy and amazing, cruelty-free, and I love these. So they are amazing and very delicate. So I take my little tweezers and I just pull up a little strip. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little spoolie mascara wand, and I'm going to apply just a little drop of glue on the very end, and I'm going to, can you see this? Hold on, I can't even get this in view. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just applying the glue. And you want to make sure you have enough, but not too much. And then we're going to let it get a little tacky. Okay? Okay. So, as this gets a little tacky, which is perfect, I'm going to adjust my camera so that I'm really getting close. Hope I'm close enough. And you're going to take your little, and you're going to hold it just like that, okay? And then you will be looking down. Let me get up a little higher. And all you are doing is placing this little baby right there. That's it. And then you can take the end of this little tweezer and press down. That's it, it's on. You have about 10 wispy little lashes all together. And I felt it touch my skin. I literally just placed it right in. And I'll show you the other eye. This is so perfect. That's it. That's all you do. And then you just let it dry, and just make sure it's on like that. And then when you are looking down and you have that little lash corner that you're ready to place, I'm telling you, one layer of mascara makes it so much easier. It makes your lashes pop so that you can really see. And it also, I find, it helps grab hold. So that's one of the main things. And so these are just very natural and wispy. And now we are ready. Just want to make sure they're dry. So then I go back and I just press it very lightly with my finger. And they both seem to be completely dry. Okay, now I'm gonna fuss for a second because that's what we do as makeup artists. You just can't stop. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Lash Drama, and this is pretty amazing. And I love this wand. This is a vegan mascara by Liv Free Beauty, and here we go. So this is the bold look. Very bold. You can wear your lashes without any mascara, or if you really want the pop, you can do Lash Drama. And then I'm really making it pop today because I'm going to do a really pretty look. This mascara is pretty phenomenal. So since it's just a little corner, you can see my inner lashes now. I hope you're not seeing up my nostrils. Are as long. And then if you really want them long, you can apply on top. And there you have it. Hope you like it. So I'm gonna do the other side real quick. Just give that a nice bold lash look. So I use the Pura Nada for the first layers, and then for an evening lash or someone that just loves a lot of lashes, long, volume, dramatic, the Lash Drama. I wear Pura Nada every day, and then Lash Drama when I really want bold lashes. There you go. I love that. So I hope that helps you with just figuring out the placement and how it can be so quick. So Lash Drama, Pura Nada, your little flat top tweezers, nice little square tip, and then Vegan Lashes by me, Liv Free Beauty, and that's it. There you go. I mean, even my cats are shocked by my lashes.